Hello viewers, welcome back to this lesson. We're going to learn how to use the head command. So the command is head, just like this. If you want to get help, always get help to see the usage of that particular command. So let me press enter. Now you can see the usage. The head command print the first 10 lines of each file to standard output. So it will return it on the console, that is on the terminal. With more than one file, precede each with a header giving the file name. These are the flags you can use, but let's see how to use it. -n will print the first number line instead of the first 10. So let's see how to use it. I'm going to clear the screen. So let's see what we have in our directory now. Right now I have a readme.md and a sample text. So let me see what is inside the text.txt. Okay, I have a dummy data here, guys. I just have a dummy data line 1 to 100, so we can use it for the demonstration. So let me clear the screen once again. If I type head text.txt, so without passing any argument, okay, without passing any argument, it is going to print the first 10 lines of text.txt. I press enter. Do you see it return line 1 to line 10? So if I pass an argument, let me run the command again, but this time around I'm going to pass the argument of the number of the first 5 lines. With this command now, I'm saying I want to print the first 5 lines. Okay, so you add the number of the lines you want to print. So the first 5 lines will be printed now instead of 10. If I press enter, do you see it will print the first 5 lines? Let me clear the screen. You can also use the tel command to print the last 10 lines of a text. For example, if I do tel text.txt without passing any argument, you already know it is going to print the last 10 lines. So I press enter now. You can see it printed from 91 to 100. Okay, the last 10 lines. If I do the same command and pass an argument of, let's say I want to print the first 20 lines, so I just pass 20 like this. If I press enter now, in this case the order matters, guys. The order matters. I need to pass this argument before the text. All right, so I'm going to rerun it. Tell I should pass 20 before the text I want to print. I want to print the last 20 lines of text.txt. If I press enter now, you see there is no error again. Now you can see line 81 to 100 is now printed. That is how to use the head and the tel command. Thank you for watching this video.